उत्तराधिकारी, जिनके ठीक पीछे उड़ान भर रहे हैं नंबर 4 विंग कमांडर अतुल यादव, जिनके पीछे है स्क्वाड्रन लीडर भल्ला Surya Kiran 7. Waiting now for the leader's call for the change in formation. To your left now, the team has changed its shape to the light combat aircraft Tejas. This is a frontline fighter aircraft proudly made in India by Hindustan Aeronautics Limited. Let me inform you that Surya Kiran's 1, 4 and 7 form the spine of all formations and has peeled away from the formation. But do not lose heart, as he will soon come to greet you and to check your Josh levels. With that, the rest of the team has taken the shape of the recent most induction in the Indian Air Force's inventory, the light combat helicopter Prachand. Ladies and gentlemen, Surya Kiran's team in Prachand formation from your left. Knocking all my laws of physics. Changed their direction and now exiting straight 12 o'clock to you. This 26-year young team has carried out more than 600 displays in 72 cities across the length and breadth of the nation, while also leaving a global imprint in countries like Laos, Singapore, Myanmar, Sri Lanka, China and UAE. With that, please look to your right, as coming in soon is Surya Kiran 7 to show off the 360-degree view of this aircraft. And there he makes an entrance with the smoke on. Are making a forward-moving spiral in the skies without changing the diamond formation. This beautiful diamond in the skies is dedicated to all the beautiful ladies in the audience today. Number 7 buzzing through the skies and carrying out a roll off the top. Generated 9 followed by 6 and 5. The rest of the team, that is Surya Kiran 1, 2, 3 and 4. Putting up to the skies, signifying the Indian Air Force's motto, touch the sky with glory. started with number 2 following closely behind him. On the That was Surya 5 buzzing through the skies and surprising the audience. And grow with each and every sortie and give you the best viewing experience every time. Straight ahead, we see the Surya Nation being specially for you. So one more time. Waiting now for the lead.